Hi everyone. In this video, we will see how to set up your Outlook account for free and use the Microsoft Teams for free. Why are we waiting? Let's get started. So to set up your free account in Outlook, if you do not have any educational account or any of your corporate account, you can just visit outlook.live.com. And that website to take you to this place, and that has lot of options for you to freely use. One of the best thing which I wanted to show you is the below part, access to office for free. All the online office products are free for you, like Excel, PowerPoint, Word, and many more. So what we are going to do is, in fact, actually here there is the list of apps which are free for you for your free account. What we wanted here is, we wanted to create an Outlook account to have a Microsoft Teams free account. So I'm going to click on create free account, which is going to take me to a place where I can sign up for a new account in Microsoft. Okay, let me create an account here. Maybe I will write David RM free. You can go ahead and create your own email ID. Let me try whether this is available. Yeah, by the way, this is available. So I'll give my password here. I would like information, no need. So just click on that. I'll give my first name, that is maybe David free account. Then I can choose my country, I can choose my date of birth, and maybe I'll choose my some random date of birth, maybe some 1985 or next. So that's creating my new account. It's a verification. So 5 SMSPJLDH. So go ahead and give that. Oh, that's cool. So I got my new email ID in Microsoft. So there are a lot of features you can use it in Microsoft in your Outlook account. There are calendars attached to it. There are tasks attached to it. There are many things, inbox rules attached to it. Auto reply, auto responder. There are much more facilities much more facilities there in Outlook account. You can have a look at it. Anyway, maybe in future videos, if one of the possibilities there, I will show you what are the best thing actually we can manage our assignments even with the free account. Okay, so what the next thing which we wanted is not just this Outlook mail, we wanted a free account for Teams. So I'm just going ahead and typing Microsoft Teams for free in Google. The first result shows us free chat, video calling, collaboration, Microsoft Teams. So you just go ahead and click on that, and that should open a page. This has a free version, and that the free version has unlimited chat and search, online meetings and video callings, Teams and personal file storage, real-time collaboration with our Office. Everything is there, whatever is available with some limitation. If you want to see what are the other features available, you can just scroll down and see what are the number of features. For example, you can add up to 500k users in your Teams. Okay. So what I wanted was, I wanted to show you one thing. If you are really looking for this offer, that there is an aggregated academic institutions for education and non-profit organizations, which gives you Office 365 A1 free for entire school. So that comes with classroom type Teams, etc. So you can just go ahead and sign up for free for that, and you may have to register your school ID for that account. What I'm going to do is, I'm just going to scroll up and then sign up for free. So just click on the sign up for free, and then that should take you to a place where we can sign up for Teams itself. So I'm going to type the same email ID which I have used. So I hope that I have used David RM free at outlook.com. So now we have three options: for school, for friends and family, for work. If I think that actually it will work for me, the for school, it will not work because it needs an institute email or a school account which is related, which is linked to Microsoft account, which we don't have anything right now. So I'm going to just go ahead and click on one of these options, but I'm going to click on for work. So just click on the for work if you are using a free version. Just go ahead and then verify your teams and other stuffs and all. You can just click on your company name, maybe something like MS team course, and just clicking on it. You can just click on your, you can just set up your team as your school name or something like that. So you can set up the themes here. Yeah, my themes is ready. I have my app ready, which is downloaded in the previous version, in the previous lecture. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on cancel, but I'm going to use the web app instead right now. And I will tell you where to download the app. You can also install it in your laptop to continue these lectures. It would take a while to load your Microsoft Teams for the first time, since it has to set up a lot of things for you. That's come here. That's great. So now we have our Teams dashboard here. We have create team button here, and we have all the other options here. So in the next lecture, I will let you know what are these other options and other stuffs, etc. But for now, what we have to do is you can click on this left corner below button, left below corner button, and that shows download desktop app. So if you click on that, that will give you a desktop app for your PC. So for example, if I click on now, then that should download my Mac OS Teams. Yeah, right now I'll close this. We'll see all these things in the next one. Okay, so that's trying to teach me how what to do with Teams. I'll teach these things in the next class anyway. So what we can do is actually we can just stop the video right here and then go ahead and double click on this file, whatever is been downloaded, and then start the installation process and install the complete app and come back for the next lecture. We'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks a lot for watching.